made it to Cuba. Woo!
Okay, so we started our trip on a ship, so we went past Christ of Havana first, and then we also went past a beautiful scene of the whole city as we go into the old town of Havana, and that's where the ship was docked.
Yeah. Hi! This is my sister Megan. We've made it to Cuba. Woo!
So then we decided to start the day by taking a tour in the old-fashioned American cars, which are all over the city, and I loved it because they're all really bright and pretty cars. But we decided to take this tour, and our driver was really nice, except he didn't really speak any English, so my sister Megan spent a lot of time translating for us because she speaks Spanish pretty well. So then we ended up at the El Floridita, which was a bar, and it was super crowded, but we got to try Hemingway's favorite cocktail, which was a mix of a daiquiri.
We had 2 this morning and they put 3 double shots in. Yeah. So
Okay, we just finished the car tour. This is a really awkward angle, sorry. And we just got mojitos, so cheers to that. The car tour was really nice. It rained a little bit, but then got really hot and sunny, and then we came inside. We're basically sweating a lot right now. So yeah, we're sweating a lot. It's really warm inside under some shade. So yeah, we're about to go to Tropicana after this. So see you later.
Okay, so my sister and I are really into photography, so before we went to Tropicana and before our second dinner, we decided to spend some time taking pictures of the really pretty buildings and all of the vintage cars.
Rain again! Rain, 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 rain. What? I know, look at all those. Megan, we went at the wrong time. We left too soon. Off to take pictures. Curled my hair today. Not curled anymore. Still here. Hi, we are in Cuba, day 2. I think we're just doing a guided tour with our whole family, and we're going to an artist's house right now, so we'll see how that is. We're having coffee with a family, a local family. So yeah, there's my sister cruising along.
So it's oil paint?
Yes. The clouds and internet.
Yeah.
Things like that. So there are more crowds here.
I like that girl one, that's cool.
Bye guys. Is the breathing control here?
Okay, so we ended our tour going to a really nice restaurant. It was family owned, and then we went outside and smoked cigars and had rum. So it was a perfect conclusion to our trip.
For the cash registers, what are these?
Inside he got fined. That's what I do nowadays.
That big long ass. You don't look like a natural.
Oh yeah, better.